Here's some video tips from taking video for data analysis. Number one, put your camera on a tripod. Don't hold it in your hand, put it somewhere still, or at least let it down on the table or a nice sturdy edge that's not going to rock or move like this is moving right now. Second thing, keep in mind the angles. So right now I'm going to have a ball that's dropping from above, and I'm going to have the stick to measure it. So I've got some object in the video of a known distance, and that's going to be my measurement stick that's here. So you got to have something in the video that you know the measurement of, because you're going to compare this using video analysis software. Secondly, it's tilted. Okay, don't want it tilted. You want to try to have it as straight up and down as you can, straight to the edge of the frame as you can. But notice something. When I get to the edge of the frame, look what happens to the top of the stick. See, it's a round lens, and so it's going to distort. So you got to be careful of that, and you want it to be in the middle. Secondly, I'm at an angle. So because I'm at an angle, it's also going to distort my measurements. So I'd like to be straight on a tripod, something that's right here. And if my span, which is indicated here, is 20 centimeters, I want the middle of that 20 centimeters to be in the middle of the frame. So if there's any problems with the lens due to the curvature, it'll try to even itself out on top and bottom. At least that's what I'm hoping. If you're going to lay it down, you have an object in there. Let's say I want to measure a car that's going across. I don't want some kind of angle like this. I don't want it anything of this nature. Instead, I'd like to have something that's up close. The closer it is, the better off your image is going to be. So you can see how my measurement, the 20 centimeters, is just about filling up the entire frame in this case. So that's what I want. It's also easy because the car's in profile, so I can mark it real easy when it starts and stops across this 20 centimeter mark. If I look at it from overhead, I can do kind of the same thing. I've got my 20 centimeters, it's just about in the middle, and I've got my car next to it. So I can see exactly where my marks are, and it's right in the middle of the video frame. So that's what you want when you're shooting the video for video analysis.